Okay po, so last exercise natin for day 1 and day 4. Russian twist tayo. Gamit tayo ng medicine ball or kettlebell as always. So check profile tayo agad. So ganito. Resistance. Tapos lean back ng konti. So check hindi naka-arch yung likod. Keep it back. Abs brace. So option. First natin is kababa muna yung paa. And then pag mas through the weeks, okay nang, pwede nang itaas. So, side-to-side movement. So, importante po dito is, check natin yung likod na hindi masyadong naka-arch. And then, always brace yung core natin. So, focus tayo sa bracing ng core. So, working your abdominals and obliques. So, resistance. Down, down, switch. That's 1 repetition. So, lean back. Okay, so first tweak natin, pwede natin i-try muna ng walang resistance. So down, touch, and then yung heels natin nasa floor. Tapos second week, progress na tayo with resistance. Or pwede rin naman, first week natin, simulan na natin agad with resistance. Tapos kung kaya nakataas na rin yung paa. So check, shoulders back, controlled movement, not so ballistic. And then, yun, side-to-side movement tayo. So, try natin i-tap yung floor. Okay po.